Hey guys, I've been seeing a lot of people on Reddit and in Facebook groups who are like, I've got around 10 to 20 designs, they're solid designs, and they're in popular niches, but they aren't selling. And this could be for a few reasons. So, either you're targeting an overpopulated niche, meaning that it could be one with high demand, but people have already got to it and made thousands or maybe hundreds of thousands of designs by now, and you're just not getting seen because of the ocean of other designs out there. On the other hand, you might be too far down a niche rabbit hole. It's good to have two niches that overlap. You sort of drown out the main part of the competition this way and get rival designs down to a few thousand maybe. But if you're going further than this, then crossing three or more niches, you might just have made the audience too narrow. It's no good being the only artist in the market if the market only has three customers in it. So it's hard trying to find this balance. What I will say though is that I've been here too, and for me it was my tags. Tags are the main way that you get seen, so even if you've got an amazing design, if it's not tagged or it's not correctly tagged, then you still won't make any sales on it. So when you're uploading your artwork, you add your design, change the products around to fit, and maybe change the colours, and then you scroll down to the tags. The tags are a really important part of your product, equally as important as your design. Because if you have amazing artwork or you have a really nice design but you don't tag it properly, it won't get seen and it won't make sales. So it's really important to get a decent amount of relevant tags. For example, if we search for dog, we have almost 360,000 results. So if you have a dog design and you tag it with the word dog, you'll be competing with 360,000 other designs. This is where niches come in. If you search for coffee dogs, you work it down to 6,000 results. So you've cut out 354,000 other designs that were competing with you. When you're adding tags, you need to keep in mind what a customer will be searching for to find your design. You have space for 50 tags altogether for each design, so there's ample space for you to fully tag each aspect of your design. Some things you can include are the main topics or niche of your design, the colours that you've used, if it's a drawing or if it's text or typography, the media that you've used, such as digital or paint or acrylic, if there's any patterns you can include in this, such as polka dots or stripes, any emotions it gives off, like happy or cute or motivational or sarcastic, or if it's part of anything seasonal, like Christmas or Valentine's Day or Halloween. Another tip here is that if you search for other designs similar to yours, such as coffee dog, you can sort the results by top selling. Then you can select any design, like the top selling one. Scroll down the page, right to the bottom here, and you can see all of the tags that the person's used to get their design to where it is. You can use this result for inspiration if you can't think of many tags, because this one is the best selling of this search. That means that something on this list makes it sell really well. One of these tags is the most popular. These tags are also links too, so you can click one of them and it'll take you to the search for that tag. Like I said in an earlier video, you don't have to keep tagging it as variations of the same thing, like coffee dog. As long as you have dog, and you also have coffee, or happy, or cute, funny, so on, RedBubble will automatically link relevant ones to a search. Another place you can get tags from if you're running low on ideas is to just search for Google for your main few keywords of your niches. If you type synonym first, so let's search for synonym dog, it'll bring up a few other words that you can use that mean dog. Or if we look for synonym coffee, it'll give you other words related to coffee. A lot of these might not get much use, but it's a good way to find 2 or 3 more tags. I'll show you another website as well. This website is called Solve, and you can type in your keyword in the middle, and it'll show you the most popular searches for that keyword in Google, Wikipedia, Answers.com, YouTube, Bing, Yahoo, and Amazon. So this is a good way to pick up on more keywords because it shows you literally what other people are searching for, so you can use these to make yourself found in more results. Now some of these results might not be relevant for RedBubble, but RedBubble has a habit of retargeting audiences through ads. So for example, if a customer's got to your design and then decided not to buy it, RedBubble is going to set up some ads and it'll use your design for things like Facebook and Google. So there's a shopping section on Google, and RedBubble usually dominates this section, so your tags can be relevant for outside of the RedBubble website as well. Another point to make is spelling. Make sure you cover all of the bases with the different ways that words are spelled. For example, in the UK, colour has a U in it, in America it doesn't. Another one is aeroplane, sometimes it's spelled as airplane. So check to make sure that there aren't different spellings, and if there are, be sure to include them. You can use the plurals for words too, so you could have dog and dogs. As well as the tags, you need to use the title and the description to their full potential. So on RedBubble you don't really see the titles and descriptions of artwork, but they can help in search results, especially on Google. Filling out the description with relevant text or keywords helps out more with something called SEO, which is search engine optimization. So Google is going to pick up on the sentences and phrases and keywords that you've used in your description, as well as the tags and the title. This doesn't mean fill your description box with all of the tags too. Just be sure to include a suitable title, have that in your description too, and mention your niches, then you're good to go. It's essentially another layer on top of tags that helps algorithms select your work over someone else's. So in short, tags are really important and they'll help you get more exposure and sales. Use relevant tags but try to branch out a little with similar keywords, but don't overdo it. Relevant tags are pointless. Create relevant and inclusive descriptions and titles and explore the market to see what other tags people are using in your niche. Thanks for watching guys, smash the like button if you like this video and send your questions to the comment section where I'll happily answer them. See you next time.